Letting someone critique your photos is risky. Letting an AI do it is even riskier. But one professional photographer decided to put his work in front of ChatGPT and ask for honest feedback, and what came back was more revealing than expected. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of the latest tech news. At first, the AI played it safe. The outcomes were positive, highlighting strong composition, pleasing light, and clear intent before cautiously suggesting improvements. It wasn't brutal or dismissive. In fact, it felt almost reassuring. But that tone changed the moment the photographer asked for more direct criticism. With clearer instructions, the feedback became sharper, more specific, and far more useful. Clearly, vague prompts led to vague critiques. What made the experiment interesting wasn't just the technical analysis. ChatGPT went beyond pointing out framing or exposure issues and started identifying patterns across the images. It noted recurring moods, stylistic choices, and an emphasis on atmosphere over subject matter. That kind of interpretation is usually expected from experienced editors, not software. There were limitations too. ChatGPT didn't see the photos the way a human does. It couldn't react emotionally in a way a seasoned mentor might. Instead, it just analyzed. Nothing more, nothing less. Still, the results weren't meaningless. The AI forced the photographer to articulate goals, assess consistency, and think more about creative choices. ChatGPT didn't replace human feedback, but it did something unexpected. It helped clarify strengths, expose habits, and highlight blind spots. For photographers willing to ask better questions, the AI might not judge, but it will make them think. Are you going to ask ChatGPT for feedback? Tell us in the comments. Like and share the video. Subscribe to GadInsider and press the bell icon so you never miss any update. OpenAI just dropped ChatGPT Agent, an AI that can plan meals, book meetings, and even order cupcakes for you. Is this the future of productivity? Stick around to find out. Hey tech enthusiasts, OpenAI's latest game changer, ChatGPT Agent, is here to revolutionize how we work and live. This AI can handle tasks on its own, and we've got all the exciting details. Let's dive in. What is ChatGPT Agent, you ask? ChatGPT Agent is OpenAI's next big leap in AI. Unlike a regular chatbot, this tool acts like a virtual assistant that can independently tackle tasks. Imagine asking it to plan a Japanese breakfast before, or brief me on upcoming client meetings based on recent news. It can browse websites, launch apps, and get things done all on its own. From meal planning to creating slide decks, ChatGPT Agent is designed to save you time and effort. One of the coolest features is the replay mode, which lets you see exactly how the AI completed your task. Perfect for understanding its decision-making process. Early users have mixed feedback. It's a bit slow sometimes, like taking an hour to order cupcakes, as OpenAI's research lead Isa Fulford noted. But she still said it saved her time because she didn't have to do it herself. Whether it's analyzing your calendar or shopping for ingredients, this AI handles multi-step tasks like a pro. Right now, ChatGPT Agent is available in agent mode for ChatGPT Pro, Plus, and Team subscribers. OpenAI plans to roll it out to enterprise and education users later this summer. AI agents like this are taking the tech world by storm, with companies like Klarna experimenting with them, though some businesses are sticking with human operators due to quality concerns. As AI evolves, ChatGPT Agent could reshape how we work and boost productivity in ways we're just starting to imagine. ChatGPT Agent is pushing AI to new heights, making it easier to tackle everyday tasks with a few simple prompts. It's not perfect yet, but it is a glimpse into a smarter, more efficient future. Are you ready to let AI handle your to-do list? Drop your thoughts in the comments, smash that subscribe button, and hit the bell for more AI and tech updates. Ever sent ChatGPT a prompt only to realize halfway through you goofed and wish you could just hit undo? Well, now you can. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. OpenAI's latest update lets users interrupt the AI mid-response, change your input, and watch it instantly change its answer without starting over. This is a game changer for researchers, analysts, and anyone who's ever waded through a slow GPT-5 Pro or deep research response. Instead of rewriting and rerunning the whole thing, you can now add new info on the fly. Forgot to include a key detail? Need to correct a wrong fact? Just click Update in the sidebar, and ChatGPT immediately catches up. Practical benefits are huge. Imagine writing a multi-step data analysis report and realizing halfway that one source is outdated. Previously, you'd have to scrap your work and start again. Now you can just say replace 2022 data with 2024 and watch the AI adjust its reasoning, all without missing a beat. It's not just about convenience. The feature fundamentally changes how we interact with AI. Instead of the old back and forth turn-taking, you get a continuous feedback. Now ChatGPT listens while it writes, giving it a more responsive feel. No more waiting for the model to finish to correct a misstepped or misread question. It's like ChatGPT finally having a sense. Earlier versions barreled ahead confidently even when they were wrong. Now it can be corrected in real time, making it less a robot and more a partner in problem solving. For anyone who's ever groaned at wading through an overly long, off-track AI explanation, this update is pure magic. ChatGPT isn't just answering prompts anymore, it's listening, adjusting, and collaborating in real time. The future of AI isn't just smart, it's flexible too. Will this update help you? Tell us in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech updates. Best cameras for photography and videography in 2024. The perfect camera with spectacular specs can take your shots to the next level, giving you improved photography skills or honing your creativity if you're a professional. This video covers cameras from leading brands such as Sony, Nikon, and Canon. GadInsider has compiled a lineup of the best cameras for photography and videography. Sony A7 IV. The Sony A7 IV is one of the worthy successors with a new 33-megapixel sensor that's solid for both stills and video. It's a compelling mirrorless option for hybrid shooters. The price hike does mean it's no longer an entry-level full-frame camera such as its forebearer, but a Bion's XR processor powers solid performance that widely justifies the extra expenditure. Moreover, the A7 IV benefits from Sony class-leading autofocus skills, updates like 10-bit video, and an almost endless buffer depth with a CF Express card. Sony A7RV. The Sony A7RV also solves several of the A7R IV's drawbacks to become a more complete professional camera. The new 61-megapixel sensor and Bion's XR processor team up to provide remarkably detailed stills. 8 stops of image stabilization made it simple to shoot handheld and focused images. Moreover, it's integrated with the effectiveness of real-time recognition autofocus. However, it's not perfect, but it can normally detect a range of subjects and capture them smoothly. Canon EOS R10. Canon EOS R10 isn't the cheapest choice for beginners, as it's claimed to be the best camera for those starting their photography journey. The spiritual successor to Canon's popular mid-range DSLRs, the EOS R10 has 2 standout skills: impressive subject tracking autofocus and speedy 15 frames per second burst shooting, which was earlier unheard of at this price. Canon EOS R7. If you don't require a full-frame camera for your various tasks, it's said that no crop sensor camera can currently beat the Canon EOS R7. It sports superb autofocus performance, excellent in-body image stabilization, and the class-leading details provided by its 32.5-megapixel sensor. Fujifilm X100 VI. The Fujifilm X100 VI is one of the best options for the people. Waiting time to receive delivery are majorly reduced after its unprecedented pre-order. The latest model's nearly identical to the Eye with its retro style, fixed 23mm f2 lens, and budget-friendly design, while its hybrid viewfinder remains. The essential feature to be viewed when purchasing a digital camera is sensor size, as a larger size isn't always better, but it is a good guide to what kind of camera it is. Moreover, check the prices of the lenses and who it's aimed at. In general, micro four thirds and APS-C cameras are for both hobbyists and pros, while full-frame models tend to be strictly for advanced photographers with bigger